So the Honor Magic 8 Pro Air is launching next week, but we already got our hands on an unboxing video, and honestly, this phone is looking pretty wild. The device comes in a white retail box with clean branding, and the unit shown in the leak is that purple variant we saw earlier. Right off the bat, you can see that rear camera setup with 3 lenses, wide, ultra wide and the telephoto, plus an LED flash sitting right below them. Now, here's the crazy part. Someone compared the phone's thickness with 2 coins, and this thing measures just 6.1 millimeters. That's insanely thin. Honor is really pushing the limits with this Air design. Let's talk about the layer though. The top has larger speakers and the secondary mic. Flip it to the bottom and you've got your primary mic, SIM tray, USB-C port and speaker grills. Left side is completely clean, but the right side is where it gets interesting. 3 buttons, volume rocker, power button, and the third one that Honor is calling an AI button. But really, it's a gesture control slider for the camera zoom, which is pretty cool touch. The phone ships with the Magic OS 10, and despite having a selfie punch hole, those thin bezels gives you a seriously impressive full view display. The screen is Full HD Plus resolution, so you are getting sharp visuals without compromising on that slim profile. Under the hood, we are looking at the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset paired with the 16 GB of the RAM. That's flagship level power in a device this thin. And here's what really surprised me. The battery is 55 mAh. For a phone this slim, that's a seriously impressive move. It completely blows past what the iPhone Air and the Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge are offering right now. And it gets better. Honor is throwing in an 80-watt super fast charger in the box, so you are getting quick charging sessions without needing to buy anything extra. The phone also has this Honor E2 power efficiency chipset that's supposed to help with the battery life. Storage-wise, the unboxed unit has 512 GB and there are rumors of 1 TB version, but that's not confirmed yet. Honor is officially unveiling this thing on January 19 in China, so we are just a few days away from seeing this full picture, but from what we've seen so far, the Magic 8 Pro Air is packing serious specs into an incredibly thin body. It's shaping up to be one of the most interesting Air phones we've seen yet. So what do you guys think about it? Well, share your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And as always, I will keep you guys posted in the next one. Peace out.